It is time for the Neo Geo Mini International! Welcome to the Wicked Gamer and Collector. Welcome back to a new video. I'm back with my buddy
WildChild.
And yeah, today we're going to talk about the Neo Geo Mini, the international version.
Yes.
So like the Japanese model, this one comes with a pretty nice box.
In different colors. With some different games on it.
And at the back we are finding all the games that are on this little Neo Geo machine. Let's talk about the control panel, because this is a little bit different if you compare it with the Japanese version. They got here these little notches, and the joystick is a little bit smaller. The colors of the buttons are different. I personally don't like it. I really love the Japanese.
What kind of colors? It's grey.
It's grey, yeah. We have Neo Geo Mini with grey buttons. And not to forget, and this is what I think is really awesome, this LED here. And here we are finding the games that are on this mini Neo Geo. Got that really original sound, the plingy plingy sound. What is this? Shock Troopers Second Squad. I really love the collection of the International, to be honest.
Yeah, I am a Metal Slug fan, and the Japanese version had way too many King of Fighter games on it, so I'm very pleased that they replaced some of them with games like Metal Slug 4 and 5. Even though those aren't the greatest of the series, I still love all the Metal Slug games.
Settings. What can we do in settings?
Or you can change the language.
Brightness.
Oh, that's really nice.
And at the back we are finding the power, HDMI out, because you can connect it to
it's television. The mini HDMI out, so you need a special cable.
And we have a headphone jack, and here you can use the power cable.
And don't forget,
we can use controllers, but they are not included.
No, you need to buy them separately.
Alright, I have really no clue how to play this game. I can't remember how to play this one. Just skip the shit. Thank you.
A smop.
And of course I already used my bomb. Crap. I'm missing out rapid fire. Where is my rapid fire? So yeah, for the final conclusion about the International. Personally I really love it because of the games. They did some changes with the theme. The theme of the Japanese version, I think this one is better. So I like to have the games of the International into the Japanese.
Me too. I love the Metal Slug games, and the Japanese games had too many beat 'em ups and fighting games on it. So
I think just made for the Japanese market or something.
Indeed.
So yeah, I hope you really liked the video. Just a little overview. I want to thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the little bell, and
bye bye.